It's been nearly 4 years since Jimmy Lai was arrested. The founder of pro-democracy tabloid Apple Daily is charged with sedition and collusion under Hong Kong's national security law. His trial was meant to start in 2022 and last 80 days, but has faced repeated delays. Lai's supporters have hit out at the slow pace of the proceedings. Lawyer Colin Cohen, though, is cautious.
You've got to be very careful as to what is the real delay here.
He says many cases linked to anti-government protests in 2019 are serious and take time.
Each case got to be looked at its own facts. I don't believe for one moment they're just sort of on purpose sort of pushing them down the road. I don't see that. What I do see is that a lack of resources. The Department of Justice is perhaps somewhat busy.
A massive number of arrests has resulted in a backlog of cases in Hong Kong courts. According to local police, more than 10,000 people were arrested during the 2019 protests. Around 7,000 cases are still being investigated, leaving many people in legal limbo. Experts say such delays impact the fairness of these cases and that some of the investigations, for minor offences in particular, could be dealt with more swiftly.
Memories certainly don't get any better with time. My own personal view is I think that, if the case is really no longer being investigated, you should be able to tell the person and give them some ease of mind. That it seems like the authorities haven't quite decided to do that at present.
It's unclear how much more time Jimmy Lai's case will take. Earlier this month, Donald Trump vowed to secure the 76-year-old's release, a pledge that prompted Hong Kong Chief Executive Yena Lee to warn the US to stay out of the territory's internal affairs.